Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename pages in Canva. This is very helpful to stay organized. So let's jump right into this video without wasting any second. So now I have a page here. I can actually just hide these pages and I can click on here to add pages. I think it's much faster. Now I have a lot of pages here. They're just kind of the same. Now to add a title to a page, what we can do or where we have to go, I'm just gonna hide this as well. I'm gonna click on here, hide, and now we have all these pages here. So here we see page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, 5, 6. But how to add a name? So to add a name, we can actually click here. First I thought this wasn't editable, but actually it is. I add page title, and here I can add a page. So work in progress, subscribe please, and double subscribe, hit like button. Okay, so that's how you add a name to your page. You can even go in other designs, and let's say we're looking for a website. Let's say we're looking for a website. So here there's multiple templates. I just grabbed one randomly, and now here we have a website. We can actually change the name, we can edit, add logo, a lot of things that we can customize. We have here a call to action, work with me. If I click on this, let's see if I also have a link. We don't have, but we can link this if we want. And now we can resize this anymore, website, and just the website. Let's now resize this. Okay, now we have a couple of things here. We can add some notes. We can allow only, okay, duplicate page, add page. We can add another page, and now here we have, we can, you know, just customize this. We can change things, and we can add a comment. We can add a comment to this first page, working on this one comment. This is a comment, but it's great if you want to stay organized also with notes, because here we don't have the option to change. We can move up, down, hide page, we can add notes, we can only allow replacing content, duplicate page, delete page, and add page, but we don't have any options to actually rename. Even we right click on this, there's still nothing here. There's no really option when you want to work on a website. The only thing where you can go is to go here if you want to rename your project, but you're not like changing the page from here. You're doing that, but here from here we can of course rename this, add here a name for a project, but we can't really rename a page. You can add another page, add some design, website, and design, graphics, no, website, structure, and yeah, you can add pages as you can see, but you can't edit this, but you can, you know, add some notes. We can see this first page, and then I'm clicking on the other, I see the notes. I didn't so it's like a title. So you know, first I see I'm moving on the next page, I have these notes open here, and it is no notes because I didn't add, but I can type here title page 2. This is in notes, I know, but it's just a workaround, because at least, you know, is when you change your pages, the notes are changing, which they should, because that would have been very annoying. And now you can add, so that's my solution to you. If that's what you're looking for, to add change the page name, the web page name, well, you can do it this way. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day.